This is the percussion family. Let's begin with our unpitched instruments, starting with the snare drum. The snare drum gets its sound from small metal coils located at the bottom of the drum. The bass drum is the largest of the drums in the percussion family and often plays as the heartbeat of the band.
Now we're moving over to the pitched percussion instruments, starting with the xylophone. This is just one example of pitched percussion, and they generally play the melodies in band. As a percussionist, you do not play just one percussion instrument, but all of them. So you'll be playing the unpitched, pitched percussion, and including these percussion accessories. So the first one we have is the tambourine. Second one we have is the woodblock.
We have our claves. And a member of the cymbal family, the crash cymbals. These are just 4 of the many instruments you will learn to play in the percussion family.